Thank you for choosing the Pro11 healthcare headset system. Now that your system is set up, this is how it works. Your headset can be worn on either ear, and the headband can be adjusted to fit comfortably like this. The headset uses two modes, hands-free and push-to-talk. To use it hands-free, push the talk button once. The blue light will stay on and you can talk and listen without touching it again. To disengage, press again like this. When you can hear yourself in your ear, that tells you that everyone else can hear you too. For those not needing to be in hands-free mode, press the talk button when you wish to speak and remove your finger when you've finished, like this. Up to 5 users can be in hands-free mode at any one time. The rest would be on standby mode using push-to-talk. To adjust the volume you hear others at, press the volume button. It rolls through 5 volume levels. You will hear a double beep at the loudest volume and then it will revert to the lowest again. If you hear a double beep in your ear every 10 seconds like this, you've gone out of range of the bass. Return into range and you will hear this tone. If you hear 3 beeps every 10 seconds like this, it means the battery needs recharging. Place the headset back into the charger and take another. If you hear 1 beep every 3 seconds and see a fast flashing blue light, it means the headset's working fine but needs registering to the base. When fully charged, the headset LED is constant blue in the charger. This will give you about 16 hours use in standby mode and 9 to 10 hours hands-free mode. After a year or so, the battery capacity will reduce. When you notice this falling, call your service provider for replacement batteries. This is how you change the battery. Holding the headset like this, find the recess on the outer plastic cover. Pull it up. The cover comes off. Remove the protective tape and push the battery into the slot. It only goes one way. Put the plastic cover back on, push down, and it will click when closed. This is how you register a headset. Make sure the headset has a battery in it. You'll see the blue light pulsing fast. Hold it at the bottom of the base like this, facing the underside. You'll see the light on the base flash amber and then turn solid amber like this. At the same time, the headset will start to pulse more slowly every 5 seconds, like this. Put it back into the charger for a couple of minutes to synchronize with the others and the base. Then it's ready to use. If your facility has multiple Pro11 headset systems, you can transfer a headset from one to another by simply registering it to the base in the next room, following the same procedures as above. Your headsets and charger unit are made of antimicrobial plastic. To keep them clean, we recommend wiping them down routinely with a domestic hygiene wipe, or the equivalent. If you have any questions, please call your service provider, whose number is on your printed user guide here. Thank you for choosing Quail Digital. We hope you enjoy using your system.